When floodwater cuts roads and isolates entire villages, a drone can become more than a camera. During severe flooding in Guangxi, volunteer pilots and professional rescue teams created an emergency air bridge to communities that ground vehicles could not reach. Heavy-lift agricultural drones carried water, food, and medicine over damaged roads and fast-moving water. Smaller aircraft searched ahead, mapped safe routes, and helped teams understand where people were stranded. The conditions were difficult. Rain reduced visibility, radio signals were unreliable, and every suspended load changed the aircraft's balance. Pilots had to calculate weight, battery time, and wind while working from improvised launch points. Drones did not replace boats, firefighters, or heavy equipment. They filled the dangerous gap before roads reopened and helped rescuers move supplies without exposing more people to the flood. As the water receded, some aircraft switched roles again, supporting aerial inspection and large area disinfection. This is what practical drone technology looks like, not a futuristic promise, but a flexible tool that can change jobs in minutes. The most important part of the story is still human. Local volunteers, rescue workers, and pilots organized themselves quickly, shared equipment, and kept flying when communities needed them. In a disaster, the best machine is the one that helps people reach one another.